Onya, ukai sansemi.
Ghana, your beloved country is free forever. We are going to demonstrate to the world, to the other nations, young as we are, that we are prepared to lay our own foundation.
If you do not see any, abakwasam srunkubi esiye. Nasa abakwasami enu ne pusu ye papa Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ma biaya ye jina anase biaya uhuni wakoka asansem no ewo Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum na kane no ye friend Old Polo Grounds eho ye bia ehu hia Ghana fo yie papa na edi akotene ye ebra na ye presi benya ifa hodie na mami misadi entina sabia wa yukra no ehu hia Ghana fo kese.
The independence of Ghana was declared on the eve of 6 March 1957, specifically on this particular grounds, which used to be a field for playing the sports called polo by the British. So before independence, it was a polo playing field, which was kind of reserved for only expatriates or white. We, the natives, were not allowed to come here. So when it was due for us to get independence, Dr. Nkrumah also chose the same grounds, which was so important to the colonial administration in terms of their sports, to declare our independence.
Polo Grounds, and also Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum, and a Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, a bra, when you have found the Ghana, Pemuka, Kujina ho, a Pemu, a Danadi. Sampa, Kenya Fahudi. And nay, Name ho, near the Niatre. A Passia do qua Bacosa Mukakra. A Kai will say Sabia Yaka Wassani. Nabacosama or Mono, and say
Ghana, your beloved country is free forever.
And the exact point is where his statue stands right over there, with his right hand outstretched. That's the spot. That's where his student made his independence declaration on the eve of 6 March 1957.
Famudia, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Jima, maybe say, Nifitiasiano, let's say.
Nifiasia dear, if Ribra, Abrofono Baya, one pay and sass, no more idea, so near Diano, Yempenny for no coin. Nititupani Aborigines Rights Protection Society. Pennifu idea Nimupa, lawyer for whom John Manson Saban most original essay. Some of fire and sass, Quanamo for us a British territory. Now I am Funu Niasimbia, come on at the end of the company. Do you want this original? Ansana and Wechi Kwakwa see near Diana, Yempese and Sass, Shabro from Sania, yes, Antoine Mina the movie. Nandi Trupa say, Fahudi no talk on sorry any day. Nanaka Branketianum Bresso, ni Bonnie, and Cranforhini. Bonina, a dia cotripa, dia compa say, Omubo, Gold Coast and Agana Hobine. Na near Echo Kenya, Ubiako Tian Cram, one cran, sorry, a party, a Second World War. Second World War, we see a real. Na we are seeing na yen say sa akokwa na eba ne ama human rights are any ho na how human rights are we di obi so a eno say wo hye no so sabre na so na Pan Africanist leaders so ehia ewo Manchester English ya memu ena omo de share wo ho say efiri sa war na chi no obi enya fa hudi self government obi edi ne ho so a okubie ma nti African leaders na ekosa conference ni bi no Kwame Nkrumah Kamuzu Banda nyerere nom ene ade ekosa conference wom de share wom de tire mu say won de samba bibiri mu hade a ene na buruni kokuru and the French folk no mo the French countries ni nyina no so de atemu nti bra na ye Pan Africanism sabre no so na e ha no no na gogos ha no no pa grant no mo ne Akufu Adom ene Pa Willie nom ene woma ye from Big Six no no ma atagina mu pa che se dankwa no ma sorry se ye pefa hudi ama obroni so aka kire om se wuni party a ye mfa ayi ye friend se fa hudi ma e se parties no ku no ba ko e de manifesto ba na ye to aba no ma nti omo form the United Gold Coast Convention na sa United Gold Coast Convention omo na edi anim ko pa sabra na Manchester conference no bae enti conference no bae no ne ye bae ne se na womu hie nipa ebe ko dendenden na o ma ye nti won se obi anani adin pa no wono so na no ye hye ne takrama no ye ya kakra ene kwa menkroma na akwaje nsu nim no nti akwaje se minimum abrantie bi a London conference no na no dendenden sa afi wo ye hye wo ye nationalist mummi ankofa no bra no me ye secretary nti akwaje ede to dankwa no anim no dankwa no tie ase Kwame Nkrumah by Mani Baye, the secretary of the UGCC.
Dr. Kwame Nkrumah will move to Safreno. Emani be PMO, I want Ghana, Tetanoni a friend Gold Coast. Sir, Jumedi soon could be a hoa, and he has one, as Oba, what in Hubashembi. Now Jumediano, eh, sir, ye bit me at Jaffa, who dear Mapa. Ediama Ghana. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Baye. Secretary Emma United Gold Coast Convention.
No buy no who say UGCC for na say wo ne ma yo na e ko boko dodo. Woni broni so ko a e hyew so ehunahuna ne e pobo ne ade. Ti kwa mkruma ba na ne ma nyina wo ye nyina no na e dankwa no asefim kakra. O kina wo si positive action ne enam krom yo na brofo ne ma ne yesesa ye ntuaka obroni ko krom o you know positive action ne de esunsanso bebre bi ba me yechi mpanifo no kogu mu nti e ma one dankwa no ntam no enye no mo independence na mo okwan a ye fa so ko independence no na ntoka kakra siye kwa me wo predodo na won tobo sabru so na kwa me yechi Ghana nyina secretary de ama youth no ene ma no titiri Ghana ma no wona gye kwa me atum wo hwe na ho ofe ne se de otumi kasa enti no nyina ata nachi
eno ma Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ye na dwen se da bi se dia amanfo titiri no mo mfifi ho boje ne so no na tichemu so ya ba UGCC mu no na ho akohia se wono etumi te ne party
June 1947 a UGCC na nkasa kora no mba abeko conference ena youth no ma omo so e bo Kwame Nkrumah si akonkon se unia be yenti ya ho na yenye de yenso yenform ye party na we no de omo ko snail pace dodo self government gradually in the self government now eno na Kwame Nkrumah so hwehwe
na eno no ema wonyodo sonko edema magana so nyodo sonko edema no papa yi na woni na musa otum se na afi party na baye kakraka ma otene ho akote ku ya wo mfre no CPP
ni eba ni se June mu a na Kwame Nkrumah ni youth no ti wo mo wo man kura na nka se e from mateme ho because one eti wo hu free UGCC
abakosama danadi se ekuo CPP a Kwame Nkrumah eteye no abato edi kan kra o mo ye wo Ghana afi apem ahankro no aduonum baako CPP ene di nkunim
manya na efe de bruni ne ti ase se yenya two parties dia yenya den ye nto aba nti ye to aba Kwame Nkrumah wini ye ya chiri to prison or prison ground wini ye kofa na by 52 so me ye den leader of government business nti ono ba be prime minister na odi mu an ye san to aba 54 ye to aba 54 no wo san wini ye a ne enim se independence no kra 54 no na ka ye wie bibia e hono mo na je se other parties no ne ye wo Nkranfo party ye wo Transvolta for party ye wo Northern People's Party any ade obia you know I ready na mo kire say 54 no ne ye ba ni say de kire say entiase anya aba yenye one Ghana ana say yenye federated Ghana say Nigeria federated state bia ye wo governor asa na ye wo federal state enti no na UP tradition no omo de na nko mo pe no na Nkrumah so say Ghana ni yesu nti ye pe unitary government nti ye no train independence no ko na chikakra
yenya obi a odo o my Ghana chemba no the way o man Ghana for nye free compulsory education and the doctor for professor for maybe nyina and wo san ye housing winning housing policy was say rent to own nti North Labone no mo nyina ne Ringway State no ne connection nyina no obi a first kan kwoto asio wo kwa na wakwa ko fail for no housing corporation was ne 2 bedroom because am mo nyina ho odan ne ya ka to se bia 5 cities na betua posome to say passbook 2 years ba ji osafo kwa ne ye osafo amo ni ami me hunu ye pa na wo ye projects wo ya pan to we ru ne ade
sa colonial rule no emfa hwe mreye nti na independence hu hia esanse so mo ye railways kura na so mo sisi a wo mo ye akwan a won hwe ba bia hu behia wo ba bia ayi minerals no won kwa na railway no ko na ya sesa na ya kire railway no ba bia ye de be fa de aba be simpo ano na eko eye development enye development
civil servants ngina ya top civil servants ngina ya brofo enti kwa na ko ba the first unibranch was Africanization policy into the cabinet training said school wouldn't mo nkrofo ni mo ngoma then what to me just to take over
akwan ya yi kura na sa na yi no enye development afi wana anya factories bibia ye import fi abrochiri kan ya bobo yi kura yeso yi na fi abrochiri na eba ye nye bi wa ha ana ye school system no so na reading writing and arithmetic ya nkyere obroni na nsi technical schools bebre ahi bia kakra bi keke ye ni technical schools and ye ntumi manufacture fi Ghana ni nyina ye colonialism to wait na ye hia independence
obesha national anthem your national flag no so I can't send bebre coat of arms niema hodo ya edanedi say ampa na ye kekabo mu a na tse ye kokọ animu a ye betimi adanedi say ampa Ghana yenya fa hodi ampa
ansa na ubenya fa hodi bia no ewo ahyede Ghana no ye ba benya independence yenya ya ahyede ye flag ni coat of arms
o ye advertisement or papers say wo ye benya independence nti ye hwehwe flag o man bia wo ne flag nti wo hwehwe flag nti obia obetumi aye ho bibi no anye and pepi draw flags ahoro I don't know the number am wo ye bebre she never knows you know fire. They didn't know fire.
Ghana was the first country south of the Sahara to get independence. So it's the star, but it's a black star. It's your flag, no. Red, gold, green. The red for the blood of our toiling fathers for independence. The yellow for the gold that we have. The green for the what do you call it? The richness of our land, and then the star for showing that a black star is shining somewhere.
You watch what school say. Now Mr. Baho, or in the national anthem. No practice it. You know why so. They didn't so they contest no national anthem. To a band watcher we near a pop music school. They are possessed.
Lift high the flag of Ghana, the gay star shining in the sky, bright with the souls of our fathers, beneath whom shade we live and lie. Red for the blood of the heroes in the fight, green for the faithful farms of our birthland, and link with these the shining golden band that marks the richness of our fatherland. And link with these the shining golden band that marks the richness of our fatherland. That's the English version. Yanara yasasini eya boarding de mayen moja nananum hwegu nyade to ho mayen adume ne wonso so say be ye biato aso nimdia ntra so koto krane nia pese minkuminya adiyen bremudam ama yasasi hu do atom se omanu se be yo omanu se nye yo ebese ya na ense omanfo bra na eche omanu se be yo omanu se nye yo ebese na ense omanfo bra na eche
na fe ni one art master your friend Mr. Kofi Antoba ono na design artworks e wo Old Parliament House nyina
who share you know, who share coat of arms now. The Jatano shows the strength that we are coming out with. Okay, the eagle surrounding the coat of arms shows the strength of an eagle. It's smart, it's sharp, it's strong, you know. So that is the eagle. Then you have the cocoa, and then the book, you know. And these are also symbolic of the strength of the nation. And that is why we have this kind of coat of arms.
We enye amanyosemu anaseto. Na wie no hwa na nka na wie yakoye ni jesem. We eye Ghana ya mamre na wie ye ede ni je beba na nso akoda ne ntokwa. Ya na ni bre so pa na ese ye de kono se de be ya abasobode no yensa be kam kire independence no yensa be so be se twitwe. Na nya Dr. Kwame Nkrumah nko na ni abre se Ghana ye betimi anya afa hodie che se free ase no na ache kakra binum ebaaye ya ekon no na efrase ache ansa no kra tie simu bi
di baba ko nchichukuru Kwame Nkrumah no obamu at the middle no odi oil be gu ade no so onija eno just on no e founder of Ghana wo buy that down kwa no machichi ade na akwa kuzi mpempensu bi a ye hia obi a wo betumutuo
nansa na dai so no bebem na utumu se na abrofu ya wo mo nka gold no mo bepe anase dwedie no mo ba no wo mo frase se nipa e wo Ghana ha na wo mo ton bi konkoaso ya na ebibima yahodo nyina da ma nyina da eka ho bie e de wo mo kɔ aman yahodo so wo man na ndwe ho se wo mo kuro ya besimi asa beye mpanyifo abehwe oman so de biara da.
I am convinced that it is dangerous for the independent African state to wait any longer for the United Kingdom to do its duty. The time has come for the independent African states to take the initiative in their own hands.
English aban meche majesty na ban ankasa ede koto wo mumra hye bedwam se sisi ade de adre na tese o mapem Ghana independence ye ni age enti won pene soe na afi wo mfatumi ne hye yensa na yankasa yembu yeman.
Yes, to about 56. Na Nkrumah sen wini any CPP wini na fe de yebenya fa hudi 57.
Na ebra fa hudi no yetumi eje ne kra ma yetumi de ye ho no afi apem ahankro ne aduosia sabre no ono ne di nkan ya obeye omampanyini ye di kan e wo Ghana.
Ghana, your beloved country is free forever. We are going to demonstrate to the world, to the other nations, young as we are, that we are prepared to lay our own foundation.
Faudia, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah nyama ye no. Ema Ghana for hun say hu hia say see etumi chichire. Ghana kurei na etumbe ka behwe. Wonsom nipa na ye de ne ye.
Ghana ha no na ye adia ye nye bi da. New to say ye create new country all together. Enti Kwame Nkrumah so idea ba ko ye ho ade pa say all over the country wo contacting nipa bebre din kita ho into onim fisherman for adwene onim farmers adwene onim market women for adwene market women to say dey she clean sham no woni wo mudi a kita ho to onim wo mo so ni aye hwehwe woni teacher for e won kita ho woni nurses woni kese obia watapo obia dwene because idea ye new thing send yen or yen send yen be suit to young Africa Ghana it ye e was so tie nipa na yibisa ye ni say ya say na ye the dadam we use so ye ni say ya e be dey ntina wo ni nipa bebre hemfu ka ho so servants ka ho doctors so nipa bebre market women they making market women na won go school na so nyansa se be kura wo no no enya sam ketwa
enkomo no afei kra na efrase kwaya Ghana nya yefa hodie Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Daroma niema hodo a wode toto akwam ma fa hodie no etumi baaye abakwasem yakabia kire de nanso ye no wodo mo esuko ni a kire nema bebre ye beto aso